Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your retirement strategy with TIAA, beginner guide step by step clearly.
The first step is to assess your current retirement plan.
Take a close look at your existing investments and contributions.
Identify any gaps in your savings or areas for improvement. Next, gather information about TIAA's offerings. Visit the TIAA website to explore various retirement products and services.
Familiarize yourself with their annuities, mutual funds, and other investment options.
Once you have a good understanding, set specific retirement goals. Determine how much you want to save and when you plan to retire. Consider factors like lifestyle, healthcare needs, and potential expenses. After defining your goals, create a budget. Allocate resources toward your retirement savings. Use TIAA's retirement calculators to project your savings growth.
This step will help you visualize your financial future.
Now it's time to open a TIAA account if you haven't already. Follow the online instructions for setting up your account. Once your account is active, consider scheduling a consultation with a TIAA advisor. This meeting will help you develop a personalized retirement strategy. During this consultation, discuss asset allocation strategies. Balance risk and growth according to your risk tolerance and timeline. After establishing your strategy, start making regular contributions. Set up automatic transfers to ensure consistency in your savings. Review your investment performance periodically. Monitor how well your portfolio aligns with your retirement goals. Over time, be open to adjusting your strategy as life circumstances change. Lastly, continue educating yourself about retirement planning. Explore TIAA's educational resources to stay informed on best practices.
By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your retirement strategy with TIAA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.